And in terms of the courses, students are able to transfer credits from this university to their home university. For my situation, I can transfer up to 3 credits to my home university. So it is like a new experience and while taking a course here. So I think I like the experience here. And I'm enjoying the campus and the course as well as the people I meet here.
My professor was really nice. He was like always ready to give me some advices, answer my questions, and even reply on my emails in the evening.
My studies, I head to the gym, and either I play basketball with my friends or I just went to the gym to work out. And it's really nice, it's clean, everyone is engaged and motivated to do sports together. I personally very enjoyed the greenery and the infrastructure of the campus itself. It's very compact with short distances, so you're very mobile and flexible in what you do, so you can plan your day according to your studies or your interests or hobbies you want to follow.
And I really like the dormitory here because it just feels like home. It offers room service, like superb room service, which allow us to just study worry-free, and also enjoy making friends with not just the students here, but also the staff here, who are really kind and friendly. I really enjoy my time here. It's a really great experience, and I wish you can join the next summer school program.